Hi, Sara Levin, theartfulinker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I've just pulled my June 2020 paper pumpkin kit out of the mailbox and thought that we could open the box together and see what's inside. So let's check out this month's box of sunshine. Of course, there's the pretty yellow box, and we have a basic black Stampin' Spot, and let's see, there's a sun here, and maybe these are, I don't know, they're rays or drops of sunshine, and our sentiments are a little something to brighten your day, sending hello, smile, you are loved, and the word sunshine. So we'll set that aside and open our, looks like Mango Melody tissue paper, and pull this on out and put the box out of the way. And let me grab my paper snips and open up the wrap, and we'll pull everything out. So hang on, folks, and here we go. So we always have some mini glue dots, and these look like mini Stampin' Dimensionals, and adhesive back sequins here. And let's check out our note cards and envelopes. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and got this pretty gold foiling on them for the envelopes. And ooh, aren't these fun? These are printed die cuts, and they've got like a watercolor pattern on them, a couple of lemons, and your pineapple leaves and sun. And they're 5 sheets of those fun die cut pieces. And then these are die cut stickers in this black and with white polka dots. So there's a large rectangle, and then we've got a smaller rectangle. These are both cut to half the sheet, and there are, let's see, 2 sheets of those. And ooh, aren't these gorgeous? These foiled cards. I see 2 of those. Let's see if there are any more in here. Oh, look at these. With this watercolor pattern in the mostly yellow with a little bit of the red. I'm thinking that's a Poppy Parade. I don't know for sure. I'll have to check the directions that come with the kit. And then this pattern that's a little more red. Oh, and look at this with the sunburst on it. That's what those ray lines were. Let's lift these around so that you can keep seeing all this gorgeousness. I'm going to have so much fun with this. And then we've got some die cut labels. This looks like oh shoot, I've forgotten the name of the tag punch, a slightly different size. And then this is another, all of these are die cut stickers. These are the pieces for decorating your box if you're going to gift your box, or you can come up with another fun idea. So this was this month's the June 2020 paper pumpkin kit, box of sunshine. I'll be back in a few days with some alternatives for this month's kit. Have a great day. Bye.